some baked goods from this baker. She makes like churro cheesecake. We're gonna go pick up the tray in a couple minutes. I'm gonna take you guys along to my day. I do not know how I'm gonna do my hair today. I don't know what I'm gonna wear for Christmas. We literally wore Christmas pajamas. I don't know how to do my hair, and I have to go pick up that dessert tray, and literally I'm gonna end up looking crazy. She's gonna be like, who is this girl? So I think I'm just gonna brush it a little from the top. And should I straighten it? I don't want to though. I literally don't want to do anything. Right now I'm just gonna brush it. Should I just go ahead and do my hair now? Oh my god, I literally don't know. So this is what the tray looks like. There's churro cheesecake bites and churros, and then it has like the dipping sauces. I just took a quick shower, a body shower, because I felt kind of gross. I just washed my hair yesterday, so that's why I didn't wash it. So I'm gonna do my skincare, and I need to put you guys on to this one, this toner by Glow Recipe. Amazing. All over my face. I'm kind of rough applying it, but it's okay. And then I pair it with this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's so good. Super moisturizing. The moisture lasts all day. I highly recommend, if you get either one, get the moisturizer if you're a dry skin girl. So I scrapped the whole half up, half down do, and I just did a ponytail, slicked it back, and I'm gonna wear chunkier earrings, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I had completely forgotten that the time had changed and the sun goes down way earlier. So I was kind of rushing to get ready because the lighting, I was using natural lighting. But nonetheless, I did it before it was completely dark. And I have to say, this makeup turned out so cute. And I wish I had taken better pictures. But again, by the time we got to where we were going, it was dark outside. And I didn't even take cute outfit pictures either. But in general, this day I was honestly a little sad. I don't want to go into it too much, but pretty much I was feeling a little down. I didn't even want to do anything, to be honest, so getting ready, doing my makeup, doing my hair, and the outfit took a lot, but I'm glad I did because I will look back on it and remember, what I was wearing. I looked cute. But yeah, if you guys want like a more in detailed makeup routine video, I can for sure do one. Just let me know. That way I can do like a more longer detailed video showing you all the products, specifically what I use and what I do with it, how I, place it on my face and stuff like that. Just let me know. I could literally make any video you guys want me to do. Just let me know. And so I'm gonna start by saying that I'm so thankful, so grateful that you're still here after me not being consistent on YouTube. But in 2025, it is one of my main goals to upload at least weekly. And the main type of videos that I want to do are vlogs and like fun get ready with me's, like chit chatty videos. And I'm sorry if the audio is a little wonky. I'm still trying to figure out how to record voiceovers for YouTube better. I will get better. And also, I know in some parts it's like blurry. Still working it out, but I promise my content will just keep getting better. And thank you for subscribing. When I'm recording this, it's literally at 300 subscribers, so thank you so much. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a big makeup, maybe even a gift card to like Target or something giveaway for you guys, just to show you my appreciation. And I also want to take the time to say, if you're not following me on Instagram, TikTok, please do, because I do random giveaways on there all the time. And I would love it if you guys went and kept up with me. And on Instagram is mainly how I talk to you guys. So also there's that. But yes, a big thank you. Big things are coming in 2025. I can't wait. And I'm wishing you endless success, happiness, and love for 2025. This is how my makeup ended up looking. Cool tones and the reddish lip. I will show you guys my outfit if I get a chance to. But yeah, it's so cute.